How to start mining crypto on CityPool. Are you guys facing issues to start mining crypto on CityPool? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To start mining crypto, first of all, open CityPool on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download CityPool crypto mining app, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, you can see this option for green icon over here. Just simply head over to pool mining. After you enter the pool mining, click on this option or just simply toggle it on. As soon as you toggle it on, your mining will be started. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to start mining crypto on CityPool application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.